Imagine a company that's just a decade old, yet already India's largest manufacturer of precipitated calcium carbonate. Imagine this, our products beat even the most stringent quality measures. And yes, in just 10 years, our production grew more than 5-fold. Today, now that all these are just facts for us, we are ready for the future with distinct advantages in a divergent global economy. Today, we are on the verge of further diversifying our business in specialized applications of precipitated calcium carbonate. 1997. A group of technocrats with big dreams and limits. Today, we can boast of sprawling infrastructure and a deeply satisfied global customer base among the industrial users of precipitated calcium carbonate. Distinct vision, divergent economy. The higher we rise, the broader gets our vision. In today's divergent economy where operations management, supply chains, and manufacturing processes are becoming more complex by the day, we have constantly worked our way towards growing market share and better services to help our customers make reliable business decisions. Our quality control teams, empowered with state-of-the-art equipment, start working at the raw material procurement stage itself to ensure a steady inflow of highest quality limestone. Our sound strategic planning and excellent logistics system ensure a huge stock of raw material in the most cost-efficient yet reliable way, enabling us to offer high-quality products at competitive pricing. Distinct advantage, divergent application. Our extensive R&D facilities give us a distinct edge over emerging competition. In our state-of-the-art laboratories, our dedicated teams of scientists and technocrats constantly strive towards developing better and precise grades of calcium carbonates for highly specialized industrial applications. We are constantly in search for opportunities to promote even more advanced, in-depth research projects in the field of commercial calcium carbonate application environment. Our products find their application in plastics, synthetic and natural rubber, and adhesive and sealant industries. They are also used in various emulsions, paints and polishing agents, printing inks, and a variety of papers and paper-based products. Pharmaceutical and cattle food industries use our products extensively. In the FMCG segment, our products are used in the manufacturing of a wide range of cosmetic products, chewing gums, and powdered drinks and dentifrice.